Look at this car, I guess. Oh, this is collection, final collection. Look, cool car, everything, and it's like the real, this just like a real from the real from the car. Yeah, that's cool, right? The Ricker bumper is like from Germany car, just like from Germany car. This is a 930. Oh, is a supercar. Think so. We also get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We collect 5 these cars. Time to open the last car. Final. Collect these 5 cars, please. God. Oh. There is the car. Do you see? Do you see right behind the car? Yeah? Look. The red car. Is that cool, right? Look. Just like these. Cool. Just like a street race. Yeah. Showed it. A nice car, Revis. Did you see this car's cool? And rightly, the spoiler is on top, just like Body Kid. Kiting, just like real estates on. Look, it's like racing. Look, it's totally real race. Alright, so thank you for watching. Okay, please you go down, like the video, and go to my channel, subscribe now. Okay, if you want Robux to claim it for free, go to any subscribers. Okay.